people that are living here, they want to live where you live.
But usually it's kind of far.
Yeah.
There's a lot here in Cybershine.
Yeah.
Sideways. Now when you're under secure driving.
But I like Cybershine.
Me too.
This bungalow house. Bungalow on the left.
But around you live in a bungalow.
1 million, 2 million this house.
Really?
Yeah, Malaysia money billion.
That's about
This small house?
Bungalow.
This small house 1 million?
300.
No lah, here 1 million.